So here is the example that I've previously done, and this is the data that we used for it. So we're now going to recreate those two lines. We're going to use our blank space down here. So we go to Insert, and then we insert line. We have a few options of column and win-loss as well, but this one's going to be line. And it lets you pick your data. And there we have our basic Sparkline line. So that's the starting point for the example that we had previously. And again, that's in Insert, Sparkline, line. Now, if we highlight the trend lines, we get some format options in the Design tab. So we can turn on various points such as the high point, low point, negative points, first and last point, depending on what you would like to bring emphasis to. You can also change the colors of each of the individual points that you want to highlight. You can also change the line color. As with most charts in Excel, you can also just select a style. Now there's more than one type of sparklines that we can select. So if we go back to design, you'll see over on the left we have line, column and win-loss. If we select column, you see we get little column bars, like a miniature column chart. And if we have win-loss, it just says yes or no. I don't particularly like those ones, so let's stick with line or column. The last thing I want to look at is how to edit the data source. So if we highlight the trend lines themselves, and then go up to the Design tab, and then Edit Data. So this brings up the data source that we have, and then we're going to change that to bring in November and December. Our lines have now got shorter to allow room for November and December to be added. So that's everything for Sparklines, folks. I hope you enjoyed them.